In this video from Device Doctor, we explore the HP LaserJet Enterprise M607, its design, cartridge, ports, and the amazing speed of printing.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
A high-performance monochrome laser printer designed for busy offices. With a sleek, compact design, it fits easily into tight spaces. Now, I am slowly rotating the printer to show all four sides. This gives you a clear view of its design and overall look from every angle. The printer has a built-in Duplex system that allows you to print on both sides of the paper easily and quickly. The HP LaserJet Enterprise M607 features a 2.7-inch QVGA color display that can be tilted for easy viewing. Below the display, there's a 24-button keypad including numeric and function keys. Right now, I am removing the black toner cartridge, model HP37A, from the printer. This standard capacity laser cartridge can print approximately 11,000 pages with 5% coverage. It is designed for use in the M607, M608, and M609 models. Using Jet Intelligence technology, these cartridges provide high print quality, fast printing speed, and lower printing costs. For high-volume printing, right now, I am removing the input paper tray from the printer. This standard tray, with a capacity of 550 sheets, is designed for the M607, M608, and M609 models. It supports standard paper sizes such as A4, letter, and legal, allowing you to print large volumes without frequent refills. For high-volume printing, additional trays with higher capacity are also available. It has a USB port for quick and easy direct printing. Here I am showing the front specialty tray. It is built in and opens from the front. You can use it to print envelopes, thick paper, or other specialty media without removing the main tray. This makes printing unique documents fast and convenient. At the back of the printer, you have several ports. There is an Ethernet port for network, a USB-B port to connect to a computer, and the power input. These give you flexible options to set up the printer anywhere. Now, I'm powering on the printer. It uses a built-in power supply and operates on 220 volts AC, consuming 780 watts during printing, and only 15.3 watts in ready mode. The printer quickly initializes, checks all internal components, and is ready to print in seconds, ensuring efficient energy use and fast startup. Now I'm showing the printer menu options. From the home screen, you can access menus like Print, Manage Trays, Network Settings, and Maintenance. These options let you customize printer settings, manage paper trays, and perform maintenance tasks, providing an intuitive interface for efficient printer management. Now, let's test the printer's duplex printing speed. The HP LaserJet Enterprise M607 delivers impressive performance with a print speed of up to 55 pages per minute for single-sided documents, and it handles double-sided printing nearly as fast, thanks to its efficient manual duplex support. This makes it ideal for high-volume environments such as large offices, educational institutions, and government agencies that require fast and reliable monochrome printing. Its robust design ensures durability and consistent performance, even under heavy workloads. That's a complete look at the HP LaserJet Enterprise M607. Watch it in action with a real duplex print test. And don't forget to subscribe to Device Doctor for more helpful printer videos.